What if I told you two of the biggest sports brands in the world were born from hate? Not competition, not business strategy, not innovation. Hate. Two brothers once worked side by side. Same family, same factories, same dream, then something happened. They stopped speaking. Their company split in half, their hometown split in half. And the world got two giants, Adidas and Puma. This is the true story of the brothers' war. You're watching Knowledge Beyond, where we uncover the untold stories behind the brands, empires, and people that changed the world. If you love powerful, true stories, you're in the right place. Now let's begin. The story begins in a small German town, Herzogenaurach. Quiet streets, simple homes. No one imagined it would become the center of a global feud. Two brothers grew up there. Adolf Dassler, called Adi, quiet, obsessed with making better shoes. Rudolf Dassler, called Rudy, confident, loud, natural salesman. Different personalities, but together, powerful. One could build, one could sell. Perfect partnership. In the 1920s, they started making athletic shoes from a small laundry room. No giant factory, no investors, no luxury office, just ambition. Adi obsessed over performance. He experimented with grip, fit, comfort, traction. Rudy sold aggressively. He convinced athletes. He built relationships. Soon their shoes gained attention. Then came the Olympics. Berlin Olympics. The world was watching. The Dassler brothers wanted athletes in their shoes. Most famously, they got Jesse Owens to wear them. He won 4 gold medals. Imagine the impact. A black American athlete dominating in Nazi Germany. While wearing shoes from two brothers in a small town, their brand exploded, orders surged. They looked unstoppable, but success hides cracks. And cracks were growing. Then came World War II. Germany changed. Business changed. Pressure rose. Inside the family, arguments grew. Money, control, ego, blame. Stories differ. Some say jealousy. Some say politics. Some say their wives also deepened tensions. Whatever the cause, trust was dying. The brothers who once built together now struggled to even stand each other. There is one famous story. During an air raid, the brothers and families took shelter. One brother allegedly said something that was misunderstood. Versions vary, but resentment exploded. Sometimes relationships don't end from one moment. They end after years of small wounds. After the war, there was no repairing it, only separation. The company was divided, machines divided, workers divided, friends divided, even family divided. Adi created Adidas, named from Adi plus Dassler. Rudy created Puma. Now imagine this, two brothers living in the same town, running rival companies, not speaking. This wasn't business. This was personal war. Herzogenaurach became known as the town of bent necks. Why? Because people looked down at shoes first, to see whose side you were on. Adidas worker, Puma worker, even restaurants had loyalties. Even football clubs split, even friendships changed. One family fight had infected an entire town. This is what made the story legendary. Then came the real war, global dominance. Adidas focused on elite sports credibility. Puma pushed style, speed, athlete partnerships. Both signed stars. Both chased trophies. Both wanted to prove one brother superior. Adidas grew into a giant. Puma became iconic worldwide. Neither truly lost. But one question remained. Did the brothers ever reconcile? No. The brothers reportedly remained estranged for life. They were buried in the same town, but in separate gravesites. Think about that. Two men who built greatness together ended as enemies. The companies became legends, but the family never healed. That may be the real tragedy. Today, millions wear Adidas, millions wear Puma, most never realize. They are wearing the final chapter of a brotherhood that broke apart. A dream built together, an empire split in two. A rivalry that outlived the men who started it. So next time you lace your shoes, remember, some of the world's biggest brands were built from pain.